Hello and welcome to another update video about FETCH.AI. So on the FETCH.AI chart, we are still in a support area. Not all coins have broken out yet. People are disappointed that Fetch hasn't done anything yet, but I mean, you want to chase the ones that have already broken out when you haven't bought, or do you want to wait for a coin to break out that's currently in a support zone? I mean, you have to decide that for yourself. Both are reasonable strategies. You can of course chase, you can of course trade the breakouts. I mean, ADA is currently at 114, just filling in the pattern, for example. AVAX seems to have broken out, yeah. So there are, there are groups of coins that are on the move, okay? And these all started at some point in their support areas. Just made an AVAX video. AVAX also spent some time in the support area and now it's moved. And FET is currently in such a support area. Of course, there's never a guarantee it will move. And at the moment, it doesn't look like it wants to start the third wave, but that can happen from one moment to the other. Okay, that can happen from really, literally from one moment to the other. I would say we have a breakout point at around $1.39. And so between 139 and 140, maybe rather 140, getting above this swing high from Monday, the 18th of November. Okay, that would be this probably, hopefully. Okay, hopefully. I mean, we could see some consolidation over the weekend on the Bitcoin chart. Maybe it's going to be another good altcoin weekend. I think last weekend was quite good for the altcoins, so it could be interesting. And FET should, if we really start a third wave rally from here, FET should get to 195 plus, because that's the first ideal target. It's the 138% extension of the initial 1-2 structure. So wave 1 has 5 waves, indicates the trend is up. Wave 2 is a not very clear pattern, I have to say. I'm not impressed. But the third wave it's still holding a higher low. And the third wave should then normally get to there are certain levels, right, that typically would be reached. And the 138% extension is the first ideal one. That's at $1.95. So that's what I'm tracking at the moment on the FET chart as first wave 3 target. Can of course go higher, but that's for now what we're looking at. And at the moment, there's some momentum that's starting. I only posted like an hour ago an update for our gold members and said, look, this can still happen, right? It's not invalidated. Below $1.18, however, probabilities will start to shift. But it's starting to move. So below 118, it's starting to shift the probabilities, and below 109, 110, we have invalidation, rather $1.09. That's the formal invalidation point. So FET is trying. Okay, all we can do is watch. It's either going to do it or not. It's starting to look okay. It's not great because this doesn't really look like a 5-wave move up, but still, we might be dealing again with some kind of a messy diagonal, but it's not broken out yet, so we're still ranging. So I think pay attention to the $1.40 level for an upside breakout. 118, this is where probabilities shift towards something more bearish. And then down here, the $1.09 level is really the invalidation point. And 195 plus is the first ideal target for the third wave. And then we can take it from there. And it should ideally push higher overall going forward. But only if 118 is holding, and a break below 118 will increase probabilities that we are in a larger B wave. So it's a larger correction that started up here, September top, and it could still be unfolding. So presumably this B wave bottomed in November, but could still be unfolding in an alternative. That's the update about FET, FETCH.AI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. If you are interested in the membership, you can find more information about it on our channel page. There's a 2-minute video you can watch that explains everything. And here you can also find our member-only videos, plus additional benefits are part of the membership, depending on which tier you're choosing. A lot of people requested XLM today. It was one of the videos I made today for members. So if you're interested in that, check it out. ARB, Floki, Brett, Tia, Cody were updated recently as well. So check it out if you're interested. And also don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.